Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to make an iced coffee from home. All you will need is some ice, your favorite milk, coffee, and creamer, and the whipped cream are optional. Here I'm using almond milk, Starbucks flavored coffee, and some creamer and Reddi-wip. You're going to fill your cup about halfway or a little more with the milk and the remainder with the coffee. If you choose, you can also blend this up to make it like a frap. Whether you're a busy mom or like me who works the night shift, coffee is a must to make it through the night. Occasionally I stop for coffee on my way to work, however it can get expensive, so I like to make it from home. And I'm just topping it with the whipped cream. And that is it. Super simple. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you stick around my channel and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.